Imagine stepping into a home where the warmth of rustic charm meets the sleek elegance of modern design. A place where natural materials and contemporary elements blend seamlessly to create a unique and inviting space. Welcome to Visionary Designs, where we bring you the best of both worlds. In today's video from Visionary Designs, we're going to explore how to beautifully combine rustic and modern design elements in modern architectural homes. If you love home design as much as we do, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Visionary Designs, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest design trends. Rustic design is all about embracing natural materials like wood and stone, creating a cozy and warm atmosphere. It's characterized by its organic textures, earthy tones, and a sense of history and tradition. On the other hand, modern design focuses on clean lines, minimalism, and functionality. It's about creating open, airy spaces with a sleek and sophisticated look. When combined, these two styles can harmonize beautifully, balancing the rustic charm with modern simplicity to create homes that are both comforting and stylish. In many modern architectural homes, the living room often incorporates rustic elements like exposed wooden beams and stone walls. These natural materials bring warmth and character to the space, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. To balance this rustic charm, homeowners frequently add clean-lined furniture with a minimalist design. Large windows allow plenty of natural light to flood the room, enhancing the sense of openness and modernity. Imagine a comfortable leather sofa with a sleek, modern design sitting on a rustic wooden floor. The contrast between the rustic beams overhead and the modern coffee table below creates a dynamic visual interest. Adding modern art pieces on the walls and soft, warm lighting brings everything together. Living rooms like these aren't just places to relax. They are spaces that tell a story of tradition meeting innovation. In kitchens within these homes, you'll often find rustic wooden cabinets and natural stone countertops, adding a touch of rustic charm and warmth. Complementing these elements, concrete countertops and stainless steel appliances bring a modern edge to the kitchen. Open shelving is commonly used to display a mix of rustic and modern kitchenware, creating a functional and stylish space. Cooking in these kitchens, where every element offers both utility and aesthetic pleasure, becomes a delightful experience. The rough texture of the stone against the smooth finish of stainless steel creates a harmonious balance. Pendant lights with industrial designs hanging over rustic wooden islands provide both illumination and a focal point. The bedrooms of these modern architectural homes, a wooden bed frame paired with natural fabrics, creates a cozy, rustic retreat. Minimalist white bedding and modern bedside tables offer a fresh and clean look. Industrial-style lamps add a touch of modernity, casting a warm, ambient glow that enhances the room's serene atmosphere. Bedrooms like these are designed for unwinding, where the earthy tones of the rustic elements complement the simplicity of modern design. Wooden beams on the ceiling add warmth, while the clean lines of the furniture maintain a sense of order and tranquility. Soft, natural fabrics invite relaxation, making these bedrooms perfect sanctuaries from the world outside. In the bathrooms of such homes, The rustic elements of a stone sink and wooden cabinets blend seamlessly with sleek fixtures and large mirrors. The natural materials create a spa-like ambience, making everyday routines feel luxurious and grounded in nature. Modern touches add functionality and elegance, ensuring that these spaces are not only beautiful, but also practical. Stepping into these bathrooms, where rough-hewn stone basins sit atop modern vanities, feels like entering a serene retreat. Large, frameless mirrors reflect the simplicity and elegance of the room, enhancing the sense of space. Modern faucets with clean lines contrast beautifully with the rustic textures, creating balanced and harmonious environments. Outdoor spaces in these homes often include wooden decks and stone barbecue areas, perfect for relaxing and entertaining. Modern outdoor furniture and minimalist landscaping keep the areas looking chic and stylish. Envision cozy outdoor seating areas with rustic wooden tables and sleek modern chairs. Stone barbecue areas add a touch of rugged charm, while minimalist garden designs keep everything looking fresh and organized. These outdoor spaces serve as extensions of the home, offering places to enjoy nature with all the comforts of modern living. As you can see, combining rustic charm with modern design in modern architectural homes creates unique and inviting spaces. The key is to balance natural, warm materials with sleek, modern elements. This harmonious fusion offers sanctuaries that feel both grounded and contemporary, providing perfect escapes from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Visionary Designs, and let us know in the comments which room was your favorite. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest home design tips and ideas. Thank you for watching Visionary Designs. Stay tuned for more home design tips and ideas. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community of design enthusiasts.